Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I know the sale happened in the first week of May and it's already June. Half June is gone by and I'm still here with my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. Quite a mouthful name it is. But yes, finally I'm doing it. I'm feeling really good today, so I thought let me just quickly sit down and film the two hauls which are long pending. So today you're going to be seeing all the products I happen to pick up during the Nykaa Pink Friday, and then there will be another haul which will be coming in near future where I'll be showing you products which I happen to grab in the month of May itself, because May was my anniversary month, so I did splurge a bit, maybe just made my mood a little more happy. And being a content creator, being a makeup and a skincare lover, I just love to try new things. So yes, without rambling too much, let's get into today's haul, because yes, I did pick up a lot of different things which were not even onto my wish list. But yes, I feel that I've done a good justice with my money as well as with all the products I've got. So let's just get started. Now technically I really wanted to show you things randomly, but I think it will not be a good idea. So why not just get away with all the skincare products which I happen to pick up. Now I did not pick up a lot of skincare products during the Nykaa sale because I generally buy skincare, depends if it is new launch or maybe I just want to buy something again. It goes like that, or what my skin needs. I just do not buy skincare because it is on a sale. Keep that in mind whenever you are buying skincare. So the first thing which I happen to grab, and something which was needed definitely, is the Oziva Hair Vitamin for better hair growth and hair fall control. Something which I have already had in a form of biotin by Oziva itself, and I absolutely love it. But since I was not feeling good and I was sick, I wanted to have something very easy. So they come into this green capsule format, and I take it once a day, and I take only one capsule. They say you should take two, but I take only one. One is more than enough for me. So yes, I like the product. I'm already using it. So if you are someone who's suffering with hair fall or want to just have a little control over your hair, then you should be trying the Oziva hair products. They are really good. Next up, I went ahead and bought a combo set from Kaya. If you know, and if you have been following me, you know how much I love Kaya as a skincare brand, but not everything I've tried from Kaya. But whatever I have tried from Kaya so far has worked absolutely wonderful. Since I wanted to just restock on few things, I did pick up this range altogether. So they were into a combo and I did save 40% on the combo. So I did went ahead and bought the night and the day cream by the Kaya White Luminous. I have done a complete review on my Instagram on these products, and there is a cleanser also which is already in my bathroom, so forgive me on that. So yes, I did pick up the night and the day cream because if you have been seeing reviews on my channel, I was already using the My Glam Glow range, then I was using the Manish Malhotra range, and most of the products are done. So I thought why not just grab something which I've already used, and just for a change I just wanted to get this range. So yes, I did get the whole combo set and it was pretty inexpensive. Since I bought the whole combo, and there was another offer which was running on Kaya that whatever you buy, if you buy something more than 999, you get a night gel free. So I did happen to get the Kaya Derma Natural Red Grape and Niacinamide Night Mask, which is more of a jelly consistency, and I don't know where I've kept it. So I have already been using this one. This is already a part of my skincare. It is very thin, very watery. You just need a very little product and you're done. It's a full-size product. So yes, something again new to my vanity. I will update you guys about this product particularly in some other video of mine, but for now I'm loving it. So I thought before jumping into the next product, why not quickly show you the gel also. So this is how the gel would come in a jar, and this is how it comes. It's very googly and giggly. It's just like jelly. If you do this, the product is just gonna come out. You will see all the products and close up as well. You must already been seeing. So yes, here you get 50 grams and the cost of this product is $299. It's very nice. It's a very fruity scented type of gel. I do not know anything about this product. I have been using it, though I would say I use it alternative day, because yes, I do have a lot of other skincare products which I have to accommodate. So I like to use it alternate day, and I will soon update you in some other video of mine. Since we are talking about skincare, there's another addition and something which I would have never bought, but I just bought it. is the Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh Feel Moisturizer for your face. Now this is a huge humongous tub, I must say, and you can use it all over your body as well because it is a lot of product. I'm not a big fan on Pond's product. I do not have a good experience with Pond's. A very nasty experience I have with it, with Pond's. That is why I never buy Pond's product. But for some reason I have seen so many people talking about this particular moisturizer. They have another variant as well, so I thought, why not just get it and try it. I did use it already. 4 to 5 times I've used it, and first impression, it's good. That's it, nothing more I'm gonna say. So yes, something again new into my vanity. Let's move on to some hair care. So I did pick up another hair care product which is not here on my desk, so forgive me. I did pick up a new Matrix Opticare hair lengthening conditioner, the new one. So I have already been using it. It's in my bathroom, so I totally forgot. Next thing which I happen to pick up is the Tresemme Deep Smoothing Mask, the Keratin Smooth with Marula Oil Hair Mask. This is how it comes. I think half of the world already knows how it works because everyone has spoken such good things about it. At least I've seen so many good reviews on this particular product. So yes, I did happen to get it. I used it only once, abhi tak. This is how it looks, and I must tell you, when you use it, you feel you just went to the parlor. So the scent to it is very calming, very spa-like, parlor-like. So if you're missing your parlors, then this can be the hair mask for your hair. Just saying. But yes, I will update you guys again on this product because something really new. And this one was though on my wish list because when it was launched, from that time I was waiting for this product to go on a good discount. Secondly, it is mostly out of stock, so it is very difficult to get this one. So this time it was in stock and on a good discount, so I just grabbed it. So I have such a tall product just right in front of me, and I think I should just get rid of this one. This is a complete repurchase. It's by Bath & Body Dark Kiss Fine Fragrance Mist. You know, I have already finished one bottle of it. I just love this one. I know, I just need this. It's needed. It's hot. It's summers. So yes, this is something, a complete repurchase. There was a good offer on Bath & Body where all of the products were slashed to 50%, or I would say $7.99. So anything you buy was for $7.99. So yes, I just bought one thing. I did not go for offers like buy two get two because then you overspend. So sometimes you should just wait for this offer to appear where you can buy every product for $7.99. So then you are not even buying a lot and you're just buying what you need. So I just needed one mist, though I wanted the candles, but I resisted. I was like, I will go to the store and buy the candles. So yes, this is a complete repurchase. Now I think I'm left with only 2 more products which can fall into a category of skincare but can be a part of makeup as well now. So I did pick up my 2 favorite simple micellar water cleansing wipes. My favorite. So I don't have to say anything. They were in stock and they're still in stock, and they were like for 260 rupees. वैसे इसका MRP is 325 or 50 rupees. I'm not aware. 325 rupees each packet. So for 260 I was like, lay low. So soon I will be buying 2 more and stocking up because simple products are not generally restocked fast. So these are one of the best wipes I have used, and you should definitely try them. It has a green version also, the facial cleansing wipes. Don't get those, get this one. And the last skincare product, and something is a complete repurchase, and this product is generally out of stock on Nykaa, is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Eye Cream. You know how much I love it. Do I have to say anything about it? No, it has always made it of my favorites, current favorites, top 10 skincare products, and one of my most used eye creams as well. This is my 3rd tube though, I would say third, and I'm already been using it. I think I should be restocking it again, so soon I will buy this again in my next Nykaa Black Friday sale. Ye already मेरी wish list में है. So yes, a complete repurchase, something well done by Lakme, and I feel if you're a person who wants to just start an eye cream in your skincare routine, then this can be the one. And for pricing, I think you're getting an amazing product. So this last product under the category of skincare is technically should not be used on your face, hair or anything. It is just a normal hand rub which I got free with Sugar Cosmetic product. This is a Sugar Swipe Right hand rub in Lush Lavender, and this is how the bottle comes. It is brand new. I've not used it. I don't know how it performs and all. It has 70% alcohol, so it is a good sanitizer, but it has a little lavender scent going on, so maybe it will just make you feel a little more pleasant than that typical alcohol scent which you get in your sanitizers. So yes, it is more of a travel friendly bottle, and this will cost you, I feel, 149 rupees. So it was completely free. So thank you, Sugar, for sending such a nice lovely free gift. Let's move on to makeup, because I have a lot of makeup, a lot. The whole purpose of making 2 haul videos was to make the video as short as I can, but it has already crossed the timing of, I feel, 14-15 minutes, at least on the camera. I know after minusing it would be 12 minutes. So let's see how it goes, and if I feel the video is going way too long, then I will just eliminate the lipsticks, because there are way too many lipsticks to show you. Okay, the first thing which I happen to buy in the makeup category is this e.l.f. Concealer sponge. It's one of the most raved, hyped and most loved sponge. So I just got it. I've not opened it, this long one. It was available, and I just got it for 350 rupees, I remember. The actual price of this is 590 rupees. So it was definitely a steal deal. I did not overbuy things. I bought things which I need and I will be using it, and something which makes more sense to me. So yes, I did buy this sponge. Next up, I went ahead and bought the 2 famous putty primers from e.l.f. So I bought both the primers. One is the Universal Sheer Putty Primer, and the other one is the Universal Glow. So Glow one is going to just give you more luminosity, and this one is more of hydrating matte kind of primer. So I have not used it, so I cannot comment how they perform. And this is how they come. So this is the putty primer, the sheer one, and this one is more of a universal one. So I'm not opening it. Let me just more cleaner here. So I've not used it. Let me use it. Now, one more thing which I would like to update you guys. Earlier when e.l.f. was launched on Nykaa, the pricing was way too much on a higher side, but now the pricing has gone down. So they have revamped the pricing for all of their products. So earlier the putty primers used to cost 1100. Now the putty primer will cost you 750 rupees. On top of that, I got 40% off. So I remember I paying 460 for one putty primer. So it was definitely a steal deal. And yes, thank you Nykaa for revamping the pricing, because now I feel e.l.f. is being sold at e.l.f. prices, not at Too Faced prices or some high-end brands. So yes, let's be real here. So yes, they have revamped the pricing. So if you are eyeing something, then I think this is the right time. And for some reason, I have always been telling you, do not buy products in a hurry. Wait. Once the brand is launched, it's not going anywhere. At least for next 2 years, it's not going anywhere. Next up, I bought a little expensive product, and something which I'm really happy and excited about is the Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer. Now you know how much I love primers, and there's no end to it. And if I'm buying something from high end, then primer can be one of those products which I will definitely get. There was another primer which I wanted to get, but by the time I added to my cart and I was about to check out, it was out of stock. No problem, I'll wait. Let's see if Becca restocks it. So this is how the primer is. I've used it once. The only thing which I don't like about it is the packaging. Why it is a medicinal packaging? They could have given me a pump. For 3050 rupees, I need a pump here. I don't know, I did not like the packaging. But the primer, I would say I've used it once, so I cannot even say that it's, oh wow, you should get it. But recently I've seen Becca coming out with 20% off on their products. So if you still want to get this primer, then you can, because it's not that I hate the primer. I have used it once and I liked it for like my first use. So yes, a good purchase. Here I saved 25%, I feel, because I was getting some additional discount. I don't remember, but I think I paid 2400 for this primer, because originally it is priced at 3050 rupees. So whenever these big sales happen on Nykaa or Black Friday sale, I always concentrate on base products than any random product, because I feel base products are more expensive and you should be investing on your base products like your foundation, your primer, your powder, because they hold your makeup well. They give more long lasting effect to your makeup. So you have to be cautious where you're putting your money during sale, because just do not buy a product because it is for 100 rupees or 300 rupees, or after discount it has gone 50% off. But do you really need that product? You have to keep all this in mind. Saying that, let's move on to some more base products. So I went ahead and bought a new foundation by Milani, the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer, and this is in the shade 06 Sand Beige, something recommended by you all, and I thought let me just get it and review it for you guys. So soon you will see a review on this foundation as well. So yes, I have used the foundation only once, so early, it's too early to give you any verdict, but I'm really happy with the purchase. So yeah, look out for a review. So my camera battery died. I had to refill it with a new battery and then start filming again, so here I am. Okay, let's move on to another face product, a repurchase. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Prime Plus Matte Foundation, one of my favorite foundation, a holy great foundation, and something which I cannot live without. I'm obsessed. Yes, I'm obsessed. And for the pricing, you get an amazing foundation right in here. So this is the shade Neutral Almond, perfect match for my skin. Again, I match my foundation with my neck, so be mindful. So yes, this is another lovely repurchase I did. Another repurchase on a foundation I did was the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in the shade 11. Again, it would seem to be a deeper shade. As I said, I do match myself with my neck. So yes, I go a little deeper on my face, because usually you would have seen that my face is much lighter than my neck. If I start matching my neck, then I will need like a full bottle of foundation, and I personally do not like putting foundation on my neck because my neck doesn't like it, and I start getting some skin irritation, some redness, some small bump starts coming. So I avoid putting foundation on my neck completely. So the only best way I can do it is match my foundation with my neck, and I like it. It's not that, oh my god, what is she looking? No, I like it. So yes, this is a complete repurchase, and I have still not opened it because I have a little bit of foundation left in my older tube. So Jessie, that will be over, I will open my new one. But yes, again, this shade is generally out of stock and not on discount, but this time I did save 20% on it. Moving on to some more face products, something which I never would have bought, but the only reason I bought this product was to do a comparison and simultaneously give you a more inexpensive option. So I went ahead and bought the Lakme 9 to 5 Prime Plus Matte Powder Foundation. Now they do not have a lot of shade option as much as I remember, so I picked up the shade 03 Silky Golden, and I feel it's a good match for my skin. I've used the product twice, and I will update you guys how I feel about the product, but I have some expectations out of this, as it says it is a powder foundation. I will do a comparison video of this product with the Color Bar powder foundation, which is for 995 rupees. So yes, if you can get a more inexpensive version of it, why not? But definitely Lakme does lack in the shade family. So I urge Lakme, or I request Lakme that do launch more shades in other foundation ranges as well. Why restricting yourself only on one Prime Plus Matte? Let's move on to another exciting product, something again new, and you know how much I love blushes. So really I never wanted to buy a blush, but just because there was a 50% off and I wanted to try one, I was like, let's just get one. So this is the Rimmel London Maxi Blush in the shade Wild Card. They have, I think, 3 shades, and I think 1 shade was out of stock and 2 are available, or 6 are there. I'm very clueless on it. So it was on flat 50%, and I really like the shade. I have used this blush already. Why not use a little more today, because I think after 6 hours my blush has gone down. So nowadays I do not, okay, that's pigmented, so you have to be a little cautious. On the camera it doesn't show that much because camera eats up half of the blushes. So I'm just going to put a little more on this side of the cheeks, just to make it look more even, and maybe on the nose. Yeah, you see how pigmented it is, and it's a beautiful shade, beautiful shade. So yes, another interesting purchase, and I absolutely love it. So now we are down to the last segment of this video, lipstick. So I did buy a lot of lipsticks. guilty pleasure, but I did buy a lot of lipstick. And for some reason, I'll tell you, these lipsticks were onto my wish list, but I never thought that I will just buy them. But since my mood was up for it and I was like, let me just get it, I just picked them. So yes, I did pick up 3 of the K Beauty lip matinee lip crayons. The 3 shades I picked up were Melodrama, Faux Pas, Fraternity, and I'm wearing Melodrama and Faux Pas on my lips together, mixed matched, and I bought 3 shades. Faux Pas is more of a very nude shade, so you may just like to skip it because it is just like your lips and you just have a lipstick on top of your lips showing your lips. I don't know how to describe it, but Faux Pas can be the nudist lipstick, I would say. Nudist which doesn't have a lot of pigment going on, but Melodrama and Fraternity is definitely one of the shades you can try, but Fraternity again is more of a peach tone lipstick, so you have to keep that in mind. I have used all the 3 and I like all the 3 on my lips. As I said, Faux Pas is not a shade which I will be wearing with my makeup, so I had to add up another shade just to make it more wearable with the lighting and the camera. So yes, 3 additions to my lip matting, because frankly speaking I wanted to buy 2 more shades. One is Rumor and the other one is Climax. I will definitely get these 2 shades as well, but Climax was out of stock, so I was like, okay, we'll buy later. Let's move on to another lip shades which I bought from one range only, and I already love this formula and I already had 2 shades. I just wanted to buy more shades. Is the Sugar Matte Attack lipsticks. I bought 3 more. I bought 2, I got 1 free, and on top of it there was an offer for $12.99 you can buy 3 things. So yes, I did save a lot, and these are the 3 Matte Attack lipsticks by Sugar which I picked up, and I love all the 3. Yep. And soon I will be swatching all the shades. Do not worry, I'll swatch all the 5 shades for you I have from this range, because they keep launching more shades to their lipstick collections they have. So I will try to get 1 or 2 more shades if I like any, or else I will just straight up swatch all the 5 shades for you. So a video on that. And another drugstore lipstick which I happened to grab is completely just wanted to try the formula, not anything that I absolutely love the shade or something, but the shade is good, is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Love Bite. There was another shade called Urban Affair, but I did not buy. Thank God I did not buy, because it is a very deep shade and this one is a nice shade. So most of the girls have bought this shade, so I'm assuming it is one of the favorite shades as well. So yes, another lovely purchase. Next up, I did pick up 2 high-end, I would say 2 luxe lipstick into a mini version. So I bought 2, I think I would say 1 combo in 2 phase, wherein I was getting a lip injection and a lip gloss. Now I always wanted to try both of these products, but not in full size, because I feel lip injection, why do you need like a full size? It's way too much. So this is the lip injection. I have not used it even once, so I cannot comment how it works, but I will maybe just try it on Instagram and show you, or maybe just try most of these products in one video and show you. So this is the lip injection. If you get this combo, then you should get this combo. It is much cheaper and you get 2 products to try, and here you get a lot of product, I must say. And a lip gloss. This lip gloss was on my wish list, and if not small, I would have bought the big size, because lip gloss I'm very picky, but the ones which I buy I use them, and this one is like crazy, something very different. You see that? It's popping. It has a lot going on. I'll just spread it a bit and show you. So this is how the gloss would look. I don't know how much my camera is picking up, but I really like it. You see from far also it is so shiny. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I'm really happy with this gloss as well. And the last lip set which I happen to pick up is the Smashbox X Malvika Satlani Always On Mini Matte Duo, wherein I happen to get two shades, the Driver Seat and Babe Alert. Now Driver Seat, I'm a big fan of this shade. You know how much I love it. It's a perfect nude. But Babe Alert is a shade which is not up to my expectation. I feel by itself it doesn't look very flattering on my lips. It looks a little washed off. But if I pair it up with a nice lip liner, it will look good. Anyone deeper than me would feel washed out with this shade. It is a nice pretty pink, but I still don't see a lot of people enjoying it in the deeper skin family. So not very happy with this purchase, but not very disappointed as well, because I did get Driver Seat. Another thing which I got free with the purchase was this primer and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer in this small bottle, and I did get this small vitamin C as well. Yeah, by saying that, I think I've shown you every single product which I happened to grab during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Look out for reviews and lip swatches. I will definitely update you guys on every single product I showed you today through my review videos or on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, consider following me there at @Bronzing_Geek. Everything will be linked in my description. If you want to grab one product for yourself, yes, those are Nykaa affiliate links. So if you happen to grab anything through those links, I do make a small commission. I hope you loved watching this nice huge haul. I will be here soon with some more hauls, some more makeup, some more skincare. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @Bronzing_Geek. Till then, you take care and ta-da!